We heard from viewers across Harris County who say that they're struggling with feral or stray cat colonies, and with no legal limits on the number of animals in unincorporated areas, many feel like no one is helping. Tonight, we're bringing clarity after many of you reached out with similar questions and concerns.
Well, after reporting on several growing stray or feral cat colonies due to neighbors feeding, dozens of viewers reached out saying they're also facing the same issue. What we found is that there aren't very many rules or protections to stop this. This neighbor tells us what he didn't expect was how hard it was to get help. Gavin West noticed the problem soon after moving into his neighborhood last year.
We moved in here in August of last year and right away noticed there was a terrible feral cat problem. There were dozens of cats running around the area.
West contacted the county and his HOA, but says neither stepped in.
So I started to contact the homeowners association and contact the county, and I got the same runaround.
Harris County Public Health confirms that in unincorporated Harris County, there are no county regulations limiting the number of animals a resident may own.
If anyone feeds them, then the county doesn't want to consider them wild or feral, but it's the feeding that is getting them to come in the area and causing the problem because people aren't getting their shots or actually caring for them. So it's this sort of catch-22.
That left West relying on his HOA, which he says refused to enforce pet limits. Feeling out of options, he filed a civil lawsuit, a step he says most people cannot afford.
Feral cats are one of the biggest carriers of rabies in the state of Texas. I went ahead and filed suit.
He says a simple fix from the county could save him and others facing this issue lots of stress, time, and resources.
To the city and county officials, you need to update your policies to reflect the realities that Texas Parks and Wildlife writes about and the realities seen on the ground here, and then work with concerned citizens like myself and others who are willing to help you do it.
If you don't have an HOA, your other option is to catch the cats, but another attorney that I spoke with off camera says to be careful with that because Harris County has very strict laws against animal abuse. You can find TNR catch, neuter, release programs for Harris County on countypets.com. Reporting from Spring, Joy Addison, KPRC 2 News.